right, I've got a 4 cheese pasta and a Parmesan. We're gonna pour this into the pan. And then we're gonna add some chicken broth right here. You just wanna make sure all of this is getting soaked in. Okay. Kind of mix it in just like this in the pan, directly into the pan, y'all. It's easy peasy. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of this. So that's about 1.5 cups right here of that chicken broth. And then we're gonna add 1 can of cream of chicken soup directly into there. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get all that mixed in. Kind of get that chicken soup all loosened up. Y'all, this is easy. This is great for those weeknights. And then I've got some shredded chicken we're gonna add right on top. And this is already cooked, of course. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese right on top of that. Okay. And then I'm gonna add 1 cup white cheddar cheese right on top of that. Super cheesy, you guys. It is so easy. Okay. And then we're gonna add some Italian herb seasoning because it's my favorite. Then we'll cover it and put it in the oven for 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. Okay, I just pulled it out of the oven and I did put it on broil for just a couple minutes just to get that nice cheese on top, really crispy. Look how amazing it looks. Now we have that chicken in there. We've got the cheese in there. We've got those noodles in there. And the best part about it is that the noodles had all the seasoning in it, so we didn't have to do anything. All right, let's plate this up. Oh, I am so ready for this. I am very hungry. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's gonna be so good. Look how cheesy. Look at all that noodles in there. I love the 2 different noodles that we used in here. Wow, this looks so good. Now I served it with a side of salad and I think it's gonna be a perfect meal for your family. Okay, ooh, it's so hot. Look at that. Oh, you guys, this is so good. The chicken in there is cooked so well, and I love the 2 different noodles, and with that seasoning in it, it just brings out so much flavor. The white cheddar cheese really adds a punch to this dish because it really just, it brings it all out, and it kind of tastes like an Alfredo chicken casserole, maybe? Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you're looking for another casserole dish, click on the video link right here. And if you guys can do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you guys on the next one.